What's up, everybody? I am here with a special guest of mine. This is Dr. Riley, and with school just around the corner, we're going to do a science project. Don't mind the tree in the back. We did Christmas in July. So,
Don't want to pee in that color.
that's my joke. So as a PE teacher, this is avocado oil, not urine. The scientific name is urine. Okay? So you don't want your urine this color, or else you are not properly hydrated.
So stay hydrated, scientists.
A lot more water. No water. Okay, sound effects. So, what are we doing today?
We're gonna make a lava.
A lava lamp, okay? So, what we need is a conical flask. Ooh. We need effervescent tablets, fizzy tablets. We also need red pigment or red food coloring, okay? We'll also need water and cooking oil.
Which is actually avocado oil.
Thank you, okay?
And like my...
Are you serious?
Eyes.
All right, so the scientist here, my little accident, so we'll clean it up later. Luckily, it was just water, right, Dr. Riley? And ice, yes, okay. Anyways, on to the steps, okay? First, we're gonna add 70 milliliters of water into the conical flask. Yes. We should probably use a funnel, but that's okay. Perfect! Now we use a funnel for this one. Woo. Okay, now we're gonna pour, very carefully, 200 milliliters of cooking oil.
All of it?
All of it. We'll call it about 189 milliliters of water, cooking oil. A little bit right there. Anyways, and 10 drops of the red food coloring. Always take the cap off first. Oh, that was a lot.
That was for...
That was a lot of drops. That's okay. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Okay. So we did about 4 drops and 9 squirts. So that works. Okay. We have a lot of, lava there. Now, what we're going to do, okay, wait for it to stratify, whatever that means. Do you know what stratify means,
No.
Dr. Riley?
No.
Are you a real doctor? Oh, she's not a doctor. Disclaimer, not a real doctor. Okay.
I know.
You know what stratify means? Please tell us, what does stratify mean?
I don't know.
What?
Means your pee is not allowed to be.
Okay, we're still on the pee. All right, let's urine. Okay. Now we're gonna put half an effervescent tablet into the conical flask. Okay, half.
Okay.
Half.
I know what that is.
Well, how do we get to a half?
Break it.
How, you gonna break that?
Double it.
How do we break it?
Yeah.
Okay, hurry up. Do 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 do. Whoa! Make sure your parents are involved.
Never do this alone.
Never do this alone. That's probably not the proper way either.
Never. You could cut. You could cut yourself.
Ah! Just kidding. Don't. You know what? We're gonna put the whole thing in because we're scientists. So just throw it in there. Throw it in there. Throw it in there.
I'm gonna see if I can break it.
You can't break it. Okay, I tried. Whoa.
Put another one in. And put another one in.
La 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 lava.
Chicky. kidding.
Just kidding, just kidding. We're not doing that. We're really not. No, stop. All done, Dr. Riley. No, Assistant Hudson. All right, great, good. All right, let's see. The bottom of the conical flask gradually rises upward in a beautiful and spectacular lava. So,
I've done it.
that is a lava lamp with
Made out homemade.
science.
Homemade.
Homemade lava lamp.
And now we're making.
Pretty cool. You getting that? Woo!
And now we're gonna dump it out.
No, you gotta let the tablet do its thing. It's still dissolving. That's why it's shooting up to the surface.
Daddy, I wanna do crystals.
Thank you.
I wanna do crystals.
Thank you, Mr.
Assistant.
Hudson.
Can you do crystals?
All right. So, what do you think? Was that an easy thing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, that's all for today. Like and subscribe.